Okay, in this video we're going to show you how to change out a hinge on a standard flip lid. Tools you'll need are hammer, a pair of needle nose pliers, screwdriver, standard blade, and a punch. Start with finding the little divot on the hinge, and you'll have to spread that apart with your hammer and screwdriver. Then you take your needle nose pliers, grab the part of the hinge and pull it on out. After pulling the second part of the hinge out, you want to make sure that these divots that we use to spread them apart are spread apart enough to get your new hinge in there. Take a little bit of soapy water, spray your hinge down. This will help make it slide through the groove a little easier. And you'll flip it over. Find where your divots were, and reset your divots.